Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp error Android. To know how to fix WhatsApp error Android, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list here, you should do right. When you will we will see here in this list, you will go to click WhatsApp. After that, in this page you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone, so that you can know how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp error Android. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.